Good evening, madam. My name is S. Nagarjuna. I am studying in Department of Civil Engineering in second year, first semester in SRT. Today, about on fluid mechanics assessment 2. Here, one topic is allotted to me, ma'am. That is, explain about loss of head due to sudden enlargement and loss of head due to sudden contraction. Introduction to loss of head. What is mean of loss of head? That is, the concept of loss of heat is crucial in fluid mechanics. It refers to the loss of energy in the fluid flow system, affecting efficiency. Understanding losses due to sudden changes in geometry is essential for system design. What is sudden enlargement? Sudden enlargement occurs when a pipe or duct expands a bit purely in cross-sectional area. This change can lead to turbulence and energy flows in the flow. The behavior of fluid during sudden enlargement is governed by the Bernoulli's equation. Here the figure of sudden enlargement A1 A2. Cause of head loss in sudden enlargement, that is, the primary cause of head loss in sudden enlargement is the conversion of kinetic energy into potential energy. The fluid expresses a drop in velocity leads to loss of pressure. Additionally, factor including turbulence, vortex formation and the flow separation. What is the meaning of cause of sudden enlargement? Means where the pipe is suddenly increasing the diameter by to increase the velocity of flow in the system. The energy is converted from kinetic energy to potential energy. In this, they have additional factors, that is turbulence, vortex formation and flow separation. Next, the calculation head loss due to sudden enlargement. Here the formula for sudden enlargement, that is, the head loss can be calculated using the formula head loss is equal to k into v square by 2g, where k is the loss of coefficient. Where the loss of coefficient k for sudden enlargement is typically ranges from 0.5 to 1.0. Here the formula for sudden enlargement, that is HL is equal to K of V square by 2G. Next one, what is sudden contraction? Sudden contraction occurs when a pipe or duct narrow quickly, reducing the cross-sectional area. The change can lead to rapid increasing fluid velocity and energy losses. Similar to sudden enlargement, contraction affect flow dynamic pressure and distribution. It means where the shape of the pipe is decreasing or changing in diameter from one form to decreasing the form. It may lead to rapid increasing of velocity fluid and also fluid losses or energy losses. In this sudden enlargement and contraction affects fluid dynamics and pressure distribution. Cause of head loss in sudden contraction. The head losses in sudden contraction is mainly attributed to flow separation and turbulence. As the fluid enters the narrower section in the accelerates, resulting in pressure drop. The formation of vortices, it wakes region contributes to energy losses. Calculating head losses due to sudden contraction. Here the one formula for sudden contraction of the discharge to determine the discharge of sudden contraction, that is, the head loss for sudden contraction is also calculated using the formula head loss is equal to k into v square by 2z. The loss of coefficient k is the sudden contraction can vary widely, often between 0.5 to and 0.1.5. Comparison of sudden enlargement and sudden contraction. Both sudden enlargement and sudden contraction result in significant head loss in fluid system. The mechanism of energy losses differs, with enlargement typically lowering velocity and contracting raising it. Understanding these differences is virtual for designing efficient piping system. Practical implications in engineering. Engineering must consider head loss when the designing system to ensure optimal performance. Mitigating head loss can involve using gradual transitions, flow striders, and other design strategies. Analyzing head loss helps in predicting system behavior under varying conditions. So this is my presentation about on sudden contraction, sudden enlargement. Thanking you, ma'am.